There's software running on your company devices right now. You didn't approve it. You don't know what it's doing. And it has full access to everything your employees touch. Extensions can be installed in seconds, no IT approval, no review process. And some of them aren't from the web store. Developer mode installs bypass every standard check entirely. These extensions can read every page visited, capture form inputs, log credentials, and silently send data out. Chrome Readiness Tool lists every single extension installed across your organization. Installation source, permissions, number of devices affected, all visible in one place. You'll see exactly which extensions are unverified, unsecured, and restricted domain access, and how widespread they are. Chrome Enterprise Premium gives you complete extension governance. Build an allow list of approved extensions. Everything outside it gets blocked automatically. No manual chasing. No relying on employees to make the right call. Unapproved extensions are an open door into your organization. Chrome Enterprise Premium closes it permanently.